When it comes to making sure your predictive models actually work in real-world situations, evaluating their performance is a must. This process usually follows a few key steps. First, you need to pick the right metrics for your problem. If you're working on a classification task, say predicting whether an email is spam or not, you'll likely look at accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, ROC AUC, and maybe dive into the confusion matrix for a closer look. For regression problems, like predicting house prices, you'll probably focus on metrics such as mean absolute error, MAE, mean squared error, MSE, root mean squared error, RMSE, and R squared. Next, it's important to split your data into training and testing sets. This lets you see how your model fares on data it hasn't seen before, which is a good proxy for real-world performance. To get even more reliable results, cross-validation, like k-fold cross-validation, can help by averaging performance over several different splits. Once your model is trained, you'll want to analyze its predictions on the test set using those metrics you picked earlier. It's also helpful to compare your results to a baseline model or existing solutions, so you know if your approach is actually adding value. Keep an eye out for overfitting and underfitting too. If your model aces the training data but stumbles on the test set, it's probably overfitting, memorizing instead of learning. On the flip side, if it struggles with both, it might be underfitting and missing key patterns. Tools like learning curves and validation curves can help spot these issues early. Beyond just looking at numbers, it's a good idea to interpret your model's outputs. Understanding why your model makes certain predictions and which features matter most is especially important in fields where transparency is crucial. Finally, model evaluation is rarely a one-and-done deal. Use what you learn from your analysis to tweak your model, adjust hyperparameters, try new features, or even switch algorithms. Then run through the evaluation steps again. With each iteration, you'll get closer to a model that not only performs well on paper, but also delivers real, actionable insights.